Hello and hi. So welcome friend to our YouTube channel. So today we are having another interesting question, and that is related to ratio and having the content of milk and water. So for the question is about the mixture. So in the question it is asking that 729 ml of mixture contain milk and water in the ratio 7:2. So how much more water is to be added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio of 7:3? So we are here given the quantity in the question. The mixture is that is equal to 729 ml. So, and the ratio of milk and water, that is given 7:2. So you can look it at the question. So what we have to find, that is the new mixture. So what is the ratio of new mixture? New mixture's ratio, that is 7:3. So here in the question it has been asked that how much water is to be added. How much water is to be added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio of 7:3. So water to be added, that is to find. So the first thing here we have to do, that is we have to finding quantity of milk and water. So to find the quantity of milk and water, we are given the ratio of milk and water. So that is 7x, we take it 7x as the quantity of milk and water, plus 2x is equal to 729. So 729 is the total ml of the mixture. So here we have to find the first thing, that is how much quantity of milk and how much quantity of water the mixture contains. So it becomes 9x is equal to 729 and x is equal to 729 upon 9. So here we get the answer 9 ones are 9, 80 ones are, and that is 81. So we are having the value of x, that is 81. So now we have to do the first thing to find out the quantity of milk and water. So quantity of milk is, so milk is in how much ratio? It is in the ratio of 7. Milk and water, milk, so 7x. So we have suppose the quantity of milk 7x. So it becomes 7 multiplied by 81. 81 is the value of x, and we get, that is 567. 7 multiplied by 81, we get 567. So this is the quantity of milk. Now quantity, so you can see now quantity of water in the mixture. So quantity of water here we are having, that is 2x. So 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 81, we get the answer 162. So this is the quantity of water. So we have found the both thing. So now we have to find that how much water is needed. How much water needed to make the mixture in the ratio that is 7:3. So how much water is needed? Let's find. So we take milk and water, that 567 upon 162. So this is the milk ml and this is water's ml. So how much water? Now the thing you have to understand, how much water is needed. So we put, so this is water plus x. How much water needed is need to be added to get the ratio 7:3. So 7/3. So we have to find x. So to find x, we cross multiply it. So 3 multiplied by 567 cross multiplication is equal to 7, that is 162 plus x. So what it would become? 3 multiplied by 57, we get the answer 1701 is equal to 7 multiplied by 162, we get the answer 1134 plus 7x. So further 1701 minus, so this comes here, it becomes minus 1134 is equal to 7x, and 7x is this. So if we minus both these, we get here the answer 567 is equal to 7x. So x is equal to 567 upon 7. We get here the answer how much? 81. So here how much quantity of water is to be added? That is 81 ml. So 81 ml is the water to be added to make the new ratio 7:3. So this is our answer. So hope you have understood the question, and I hope we will meet in the next question. So thank you very much.